How to remove the clock from the lock screen on Samsung. Want to remove the clock from your Samsung phone's lock screen? In this video, I'll show you what you can and can't do on Samsung devices, and how to customize the lock screen clock. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Step 2. Go to Lock Screen. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen. Step 3. Tap Edit Lock Screen. Tap Edit Lock Screen, or tap and hold the lock screen, then unlock your phone to enter the editor. Step 4. Customize the clock. Tap the clock on the preview screen. You can change the clock style, make the clock smaller, change the font and color on supported models. Step 5. Save your changes. Tap Done or Save to apply the new clock style. Samsung phones do not allow you to completely remove the lock screen clock through the built-in settings. You can only change its style, size, and appearance. If your phone supports Good Lock with the Lockstar module, you may have more customization options, but on most Samsung devices, the clock cannot be removed entirely. Video title: How to remove clock from lock screen on Samsung 2026.